Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Clara Z and I do videos on luxury handbags and fashion items. So as you can see from today's thumbnail, I have a Prada reveal. So here is the dust bag. I decided that I didn't need the box, so I told the SA that the dust bag was good enough. So let's open that. And so here it is. It is the Prada Re Edition 2000 bag in black and crystal color. Here's the front, the side, the back, the other side, and as you can see, the bottom is also covered in rhinestones. And it's got a canvas strap and it's got a black zipper here, and of course this is in the Saffiano leather and it says Prada Re Edition 2000. So this is so pretty. The video and pictures just don't do it justice, but under direct sunlight I can only describe it as a bit of a disco ball. So let me show you what fits in this bag because it fits quite a lot of items. I know that from my experience in owning this Prada Re Edition 2000 in the pop-up pink color. I use this bag so much. It is grab and go, but it does fit a ton. So let me show you what's inside my bag. So as you can see, the bag is actually quite full. I have my hand sanitizer, my AirPods, I have my Hermes Calvi Duo and another Hermes Calvi. This is the flat version. I have a mask holder, and finally I also have a selfie stick, which is quite big. So as you can see, the capacity is quite a bit. So here is the interior lining. You can see it's made out of a black satin cloth lining, and here it says Prada, made in Italy, and it's just one big hole. So I don't know if you can see the glitter on that. However, under direct sunlight, you can almost see rainbow colors on this, which is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just going to show you a couple of modeling shots so you know what it looks like on me. So as some of you know, I already own the same bag in this beautiful pop of pink color, which is also one of my favorite colors, and I use this so much for every day and also within my tote bags. However, these crystals were so pretty and so irresistible, and the price point was pretty good considering it's Prada. Can you imagine if this bag was made by Chanel? It would cost so much more, but it is pretty amazing, and I think this will go well even with casual or more formal outfits. Again, like I said, the camera and video just does not do this bag justice. So if you have a chance, I highly recommend that you have a look at this one in a store because it is absolutely so stunning. So, and just to share with you, the t-shirt that I am wearing today is from Balenciaga. It looks a bit like a barcode, and this is what it looks like from the front. And the back is also really cool. So thank you so much for joining me again today. If you haven't done so already, please feel free to like and subscribe. And if you're on Instagram, you can also follow me on Instagram at ClaraZilla. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye.